dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome from Choice. We will continue our normal online video lessons from Amano Boarding and Day School. Okay. Our previous lesson we were dealing with how to find the volumes of a pyramid. Pyramid, it was a solid figure with a base of a polygon. Especially we were dealing with polygons with a base of rectangle or square. Today our lesson is about how to find the volume of a cone. Cone, it is a picture which is assembled from, which is formed from a sector. This is a sector. If you have this sector, then if we wrap like this one, we will get what we call, say, a cone. That is a cone. Therefore, a cone, it has a circular base. It has a circular base. That is a circular base. And the other part is called a lateral area. It is a lateral area. Therefore, we are not going to find the surface area of this. Later, we will do it. But today, we will deal only how to find the volume of a figure like this one. A figure like this one. In order to find, it looks like a funnel. In order to find the volume of a cone, simply it is the same as the volume of a pyramid, except the base is a circular base. Therefore, simply we can say a cone, it is a circular based pyramid. Then we will use the formula for the volume of a pyramid, which was 1/3 area of base times the perpendicular height. Therefore, in this case, the area of the base is pi r square. It is pi r square. Therefore, in this lesson, we will see how to find the volume of a cone. A volume of a cone. Okay, this is the definition of a cone. A three-dimensional object which is a circular flat base. It has a circular flat base joined to a curved side. This is a curved side with the end in the apex. That is the apex. That is the apex. Therefore, it has a flat base. The volume of a cone is similar to the volume of the pyramid, which is the base area multiplied by the height divided by 3, since the base of a cone is a circle. Since the base of a cone is a circle, therefore, for the volume of a pyramid, we did it earlier, the volume of any pyramid, it is 1/3 area of the base times h. But in this case, the base, as you can see, it is a circular. It is a circular. Therefore, and it has a perpendicular height h. That's h. And this is the base radius. Therefore, we can find the area of the base, which is pi r square. Then we can substitute instead area of the base. This is the area for the this is the formula for the volume of a cone, which is volume. It is 1/3 by r square h. This by r square, it is the area of the base of a coin. If we are given the base radius and the height, then we can find the volume of a cone. Okay, let us have some examples from here. Let us do some examples. Okay, this is a question about that cone. You have the perpendicular height as 18 centimeters. Also, we have the base radius as 7 centimeters. We are asked to find the volume of this cone. Therefore, we can find the base area and we have the height. Then this will be the formula for the volume of the cone. Okay, what are we given? The radius is given. R is given as 7 centimeters. Also, we are given h, which was 18 centimeters. Instead, we can find the area of the base first, then we can multiply it 1/3 and the height. Or we can use this formula. V is 1/3 by r square times h. This is the volume is 1/3 pi. We can use pi as 2/7 or 3.14. 2/7 or 3.14. 14. Let us use multiplied by 2 divided by 7, which is the constant pi. R square, it is 7 centimeters times 7 centimeters. Instead of squaring, we can use 2 radii times the perpendicular height, which is 18 centimeters. 18 centimeters. We can simplify. If we want to simplify this expression, we can say 7 cancels out 7. By 3, 1. By 3, 6. Here we are left. 1 times 2 volume equals 1 times 2, 2, which is 2 times 7 centimeters square. That square comes from centimeters times centimeter. From the 18, we have 6 centimeters. If we multiply these 3 numbers, we have the volume of the cone as 924 centimeter cubic. 924 centimeter cubic. Therefore, in order to find the volume of this cone, we have the radius r, which is 7, the base radius 7 centimeters, and perpendicular height 18. Therefore, first we can find the area of the base by using pi r square. Then we can apply the formula for the pyramids, or we can use the formula for finding the volume of a cone, which is given as here, 1/3 pi r square and h. That is the formula for the volume of a cone. 1/3 is constant. Pi, it is 2/7. R square, it is 7 centimeters times 7 centimeters, which is 7 squared, times the height, which is 18. If you have a calculator, you can multiply 1 by 2, 7, then 18. Then you can divide by 21. Or you can use cancellation rule by simplifying. By 3, 1, by 3, 6. You can cancel this 7 by this 7. We have 1 times 2, which is 2. Centimeter times 7 centimeter, it is 7 centimeter square. Here we have 6. If you multiply these 3 numbers, you have 924 centimeter cubic. Centimeter cubic. Okay, let us continue to our next example. Okay, from this question we have the volume and also the height. Look here, what are we given and what are we asked to find? Here we have the volume of a cone as 22,000 centimeter cubic. Also we have the height as 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter, sorry, this is not 14. It is 21, sorry, it is 14. Sorry, it is 14. But here we have mistaken. It is 21 centimeter. It is 14. It is 14 centimeter. That is 14 centimeter. It's 14 centimeters. Okay. Sorry. This is 21 centimeters. That is 21 centimeters. In this question, we are given the volume, and also we are given the perpendicular height. This one, the height, it is 21 centimeters. It is 21 centimeters. It is typing error. We are asked to find the diameter of the cone. The diameter of the cone. Diameter, it means 2 radii. This is 1 radius plus another radius that goes to the diameter. Before finding the diameter, we should first find the radius with direct to the diameter. Then, because the diameter is 2 times the radius, it's 2 times the radius. How can we find the radius? Using the formula for the volume of a pyramid, the volume of a cone. V, it was 1/3 by r square h, making r square the subject. Multiply 3 to this side, we have 3v, it is by r square h. We divide by pi h and by h. Therefore, r square, it is 3v divided by h. Therefore, the radius it is the same as the square root of 3 times the volume divided by h. That is the formula for the radius of a coin if we are given the volume and the height. As we are given here, it is given here. Therefore, we will substitute V as 200 centimeter cubic. Also, we can use 3.14, or you can use 2/7. Then you can use calculator. H, it is 21 centimeters. It is 21 centimeters. Look this formula. If we substitute 3 times the volume, which is 22,000, divided by which is 3.14 times 21 centimeters. Multiplying 3 times 2,000 is 66,000 divided by 3.14 times 21, which is 600. Sorry, and which is 660. Lastly, if we divide them and take out the square root, you have 10 centimeters. The radius as 10 centimeters. Our radius will be 10 centimeters. Therefore, that is square root of 100. This calculation gives you square root of 100. If you take the square root from 100, the radius, it will be 10 centimeters. What was the diameter? Diameter is 2 times r. It is 2 radii. It is 2 radii. Therefore, if you multiply 2 times the radius, which is 10 centimeters, that is our diameter, which is 20 centimeter only. It is 20 centimeter only. Therefore, to find in this case, we are given the height and the volume. Then by making transformation as a formula, we make r the subject as here. R, it is 3 times the volume divided by h square rooted. Then we substitute phi is given as 200, then multiply by 3 divided by which is 3.14 multiply by h. If you multiply 3 by this number and divide by that number, we have the square root of 100. Taking the square root from 100, we have 10 centimeters. That is the radius, and we are asked to find the diameter. Radius is 10 centimeters. The other radius is 10 centimeters. Instead adding, we can multiply it by 2. That is 20 centimeters. That is 20 centimeters. Okay. Let us do one more example. Look here. If you are given, this is extra example. Suppose that we have a coin like this. This is a coin. You have the base radius as here. This is the base radius, which is 14 centimeters. And also we are given the perpendicular height as 6 centimeters. We are asked to find the volume. We are asked to find V. What are we given in this case? The radius is 14 centimeters. Also, the height is given as 6 centimeters. What was the formula for the volume of a cone? It was 1/3 by r square and h. Let us substitute the letters. 1/3, it is constant. By, we can use 2/7. Our radius, it is 14 centimeters times 14 centimeters. The height was 6 centimeters. You can simplify. By 3/1, look here. By 3/1, by 3, you have 2 centimeters. By 7/1, by 7, we have 2 centimeters. Therefore, what's left is that volume, it is 2 times 2 times 2, we have 4 centimeters squared times 14 centimeters. Okay, let us multiply. That is 8 times 14. We will do 8 times 14 because this is 8. We have 8. Well, let's multiply it by 14. This is 32 carry 3 and 32, that's 35. Here we have 8 and 8. This is 2, 13 carry 1, 11, 2. Therefore, our volume is 1,232 centimeter cubic. If I am, that will be the volume of this pyramid. Simply we multiply 88 by 14. Therefore, this is 22 times 4 centimeter square. It is 88 times 14 centimeters. That will be the required volume. That is the required volume. So that will be our. We will stop here our lesson today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.